Welcome back, guys. Today is a red apple chicken pasta salad. It's a summer staple. It is quick, it is easy, it gives me more time to spend doing other things. So I have a 250-gram pasta here that I took half of the pack, I boiled it, and then I'm going to place it into my serving dish. Then I'm going to add some leftover chicken breast, guys. Yes, find something to do with the leftovers, okay? Don't toss them out. Add some grated carrots into here. Then I'm going to add some raisins for sweetness, along with some parsley. You can also use some green onion or chives, whatever you call it. Use any type of vegetables in here. I'm going to also add some red apples for extra sweetness, along with some honey. Then I'm going to add some Dijon mustard. You don't want to add much to take away that flavor. We're just going to use about 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard in here. And then we're going to add some mayonnaise. Now we don't want it too creamy. We just want to bring in that flavor. Combine it well so that all the flavors are going to be blended together. Then I'm going to place a cling wrap over it and place it into the refrigerator for about an hour, or even overnight is good. And then serve. So while serving now, guys, I'm going to add some Parmesan cheese over the top, along with some chopped walnuts for extra crunchiness. And here you have a very nice summer pasta salad, guys. You can't go wrong. It is tasty, it is cold, it is nice, Give it a try. Leave me a comment, like my video. Don't you forget to subscribe, share me out, and enjoy. See you in my next video, guys. Bye.